I just want to say Shabana ji and Namrata have been doing this for the past many years, and I have been a huge supporter of Mijwa. और I think बहुत ज़रूरी काम है ये. We all are very fashion conscious people, but I think along with being fashion conscious, we have a responsibility towards society, towards children, towards the handicrafts, handlooms of this country, and I think it's such a beautiful marriage where Manish every year does this beautiful show. In association with Mijwa, and I think the whole industry literally comes here to support them, and it's amazing. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to see Deepika and Ranveer both together. Both of my favorites. I can't wait to watch them look all amazing.
Excited for race 3?
Very excited for race 3. Inshallah, this Eid will be even sweeter. Thank you.
Who do you think? Mr. Manish Malhotra. He would have not let me enter this premises if I had not worn his outfit. But he is my favorite, as you all know. I wear him a lot, and he's one of the best designers we have in our country today. And it's always a pleasure. He makes me look and feel like a princess every time. I think, first of all, it's for such a great cause, which is what I'm most looking forward to, and which is why I'm even here, because giving women work means empowering them, and I feel that it's so important in today's world. So I think that is what the main reason I'm here for. Thank you.
Do you see any hope? What needs to be done to stop such serious crimes like rape?
Just stricter punishment, I guess, which is what the entire nation is unanimously asking for. It's something that we should actually not even be asking. It's something that should be instilled into our children, our boys, right from the very beginning. So I think in terms of upbringing, that needs to change. The boys need to be taught a better mentality, I guess. And as for people who still commit these crimes, I think the maximum punishment ever. This is unacceptable, and we as a nation have raised our voice today, and something needs to be done for sure. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. जी, अब मैं खुल के बोल सकती हूँ. आप मुझे इतने टाइम से पूछते आ रहे हो, बट फाइनली कलंक हैज़ बीन अनाउंस्ड, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. It's got a stellar star cast. I'm so excited to be working with all these wonderful people. In fact, with only Sanju sir I've worked, before in Son of Sardar, but the rest of them I'm going to be sharing screen space with for the first time, and so looking forward to it. I mean, Madhuri ji has been one of my favorite actresses for forever. And we've all looked up to her, so to be in the same frame with her, to be in the same film with her, to have my name next to her in the announcement was such an honor, and I'm super excited.
Fans are excited for Sanjay and Madhuri reuniting.
Yes. Of course, I think everyone is. They've been one of the most iconic couples in Indian cinema, and it'll be great to watch them. Varun and Alia have been such a love couple. I'm pairing up with Aditya for the first time. So that'll be great as well. So really looking forward to it. Yeah. मैं जो अपने मन में आया, मैं जो करना चाहूँ मैं कर सकती हूँ. आई फील मुझ में उतना पोटेंशियल है. एक बात जो मैं ठान लेती हूँ तो आई कैन डू दैट. मैं बहुत और कुछ कर सकती थी. आई कुड हैव बीन एन आर्टिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्टाइलिस्ट, आई कुड हैव बीन अ स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर. तो आप क्या चाहते हैं मैं क्या बनूँ? थैंक यू वेरी मच. इसलिए मैं वो कर रही हूँ. Yes, Dabang 3 will be going on floors very soon. Prabhu sir is directing it, and of course I'm reprising my role of Rajjo. Chulbul Pandey will be there. So yeah, very exciting. Back to my roots, back to where it all began, back to where it started. So super excited. I'm Rajju, so it's a continuation of that. But the story is very very exciting, and I can tell you it's going to be full masaledar and dhamakedar. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
आई थिंक ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन है जो हमेशा स्क्रीन पे एक मैजिक क्रिएट करते हैं एंड आई जेन्युइनली लव देम अ लॉट, बोथ ऑफ देम. मैं दीपिका की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ और रणबीर को अगर मैं देखूंगी तो मैं ऐसे आइल में बैठ के ऐसे शायद फेंट हो जाऊँ, बिकॉज आई एम अ क्रेजी फ़ैन ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. एंड दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन फॉर मिजवा आई थिंक इज़ अ वेरी गुड आइडिया, बिकॉज they are working for such a nice cause. And Manish Malhotra, Shabana ji, I think it's the right package and it's going to be a glamorous night. This is what it does to me. I sort of, my throat runs dry. I will start crying in an instant because this is something very personal to me. I genuinely feel that I don't even know what to say. It's in you. It's not even. It's barbaric. It's evil. These men don't belong to this world. I don't think वो इस दुनिया से नहीं है. उनको ऐसे लोगों को ना सच में दिमागी इलाज कराना चाहिए. और I really want to see some swift justice because it makes me genuinely break down. So literally my hand is going to shiver now. I can't. It's too heart wrenching. So that's all I can say, guys. Really.
Sorry, I can't hear you at all. I think it's for a very good cause, and Manish ji coming with Shabana ji and Ranveer and Deepika walking. So I think it's a very very nice event to give back to the society, and I'm just here to support them.
A very big project lined up from the House of T-series. It's Choppers Mughal. Is Amir Khan in the film India Channel?
I don't think this is the right time to announce the cast. We'll announce it soon. Have some patience. I think it's very important that हमारे कंट्री की, हमारे देश की जो डॉटर्स हैं, दे शुड फील सेफ. बाहर जाने में ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक पेरेंट खुद घबराए और अपने बच्चे को सावधान करे कि बेटा घर से बाहर मत जाओ, घर के अंदर ही रहो. दैट्स नॉट इंडिपेंडेंस एंड दैट्स नॉट व्हाट gives you empowerment as a girl, as a child, as a woman. It's very important to make sure that your girls feel secure. वो security बहुत important है और हमें वो security provide करनी है. So I think अच्छे संस्कार देना बच्चों को बहुत important है. और जो भी हुआ है अभी recently, I think government should really work towards it कि ऐसा दोबारा कभी ना हो. And we are very proud to say that we are Indians and हमारे देश की बेटियाँ बहुत protected हैं.
भाई मेरा तो एक्साइटमेंट दोहरा है. एक तो एक फैशन शो देखने आया हूँ उसके लिए है, और दूसरा एक्साइटमेंट ये है दैट इट इज़ फॉर मिजवा विच इज़ शबाना's project, and she is doing some great work in that village. And as a matter of fact, I had seen that village many years ago when there was nothing. There was just nothing. There was some houses right in the midst of nowhere. And today they have school, they have computer center, they have women vocation center, they have maternity home and post office, everything. When I had gone there was not even electricity there. Speak louder. Ji. I mean, what can be anybody's opinion about a brutal rape and a murder? Can there be two opinions? So you give opinion about things where there is a possibility of a different opinion. Obviously, it's obvious what can be any sane person's opinion. You see, society doesn't move uh, together. What happens? They remain in different time zones, different cultural zones. Some very good things happen, some very bad things happen at the same time. But I'm afraid that many bad things have started happening rather too frequently, and we as a society should bother about it. Well, there are some short-term remedies and some long-term. Law and order should be smarter, more active, more proactive as a matter of fact. And on the other hand, for long-term, better educated, we should see to it that children, younger generation, boys get better value system. Perhaps they are not getting it today. किस चीज़ को Good luck to them, and I have read that some 51 lakhs were collected for that. That's wonderful. Good.
I am very excited. I am actually here to enjoy the show, and it's a great event. Obviously, Shabana ma'am and Namrata, and it's been happening. So I'm really looking forward to this thing, and it's a great thing. It's a charitable event. So just to be here, I think I'm quite excited to be a part of it.
How much you feel proud to contribute for the social cause? How much you feel proud to contribute to the social cause?
Absolutely. I think we as people, it's our responsibility to do whatever bit we can do in whatever manner. So it's a great initiative because there are people, if we don't do it for the ones who are needing it, then who else? So I think it's a great thing, and we all must contribute whatever bit we can.
So, how do you look at the irony that on one hand we celebrate the idea of women doing very well with Mijwan, and on the other hand we see a part of India where an 8-year-old is brutally raped? How sad do you feel about it?
You know, it's very sad. It's unfortunate that we have such people in India basically it has to do a lot with the mentality. It's really unfortunate that there are such perverts and sick minds who think like this, and they objectify girls, women, kids. You know, it has to do with the mentality. So we can't say anything, but yes, we need strict punishment, stricter laws from government. That is the only solution for it, because unless we send the right message to these people, it is not going to stop. No matter what all messages we write, we send them, it has to have a contribution from government side to do it in a right manner, to make stricter laws for it. That's all I can say. It's quite sad. Thank you. Yeah. Hi. I'm really looking forward to have been here and watching Deepika and Ranveer walking together. Obviously, they both are the style icons. Ranveer is my favorite and so is Deepika. I'm really looking forward, and itself it's a Manish Malhotra show. What else you can ask for? जी आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं, आप उनसे पूछिए ना. I think अगर नहीं है तो होना चाहिए. That's all I can say. And congratulations. This is what I can say. Okay, I can only say good luck to all the lovebirds. I can't say anything about Shadi. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
मुझे बेहद खुशी हो रही है कि मिजवा एक ऐसा छोटा सा गांव था आज़मगढ़ में जो कि हिंदुस्तान के मैप पे भी नहीं था, उसका पिन कोड भी नहीं था, और आज मिजवा पूरी दुनिया में पहचाना जा रहा है. और ये मिजवा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी मेरे पिताजी कैफ़ी आज़मी ने शुरू की थी, क्योंकि उनका ये मानना था कि अगर सही मानों में हिंदुस्तान को तरक्की करनी है तो उनको अपनी गांव की तरफ देखना चाहिए जहां 80% आबादी रहती है. और ये सिर्फ तब मुमकिन हो सकता है जब हम अपनी लड़कियों को और औरतों को केंद्र बिंदु बनाएं. और अब जो है आप देख रहे हैं कि जो उन्होंने बीज बोया था वो आज कितना बड़ा पेड़ बन गया है जो फल दे रहा है. हमारे लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का ऐसा कोई स्टार नहीं है जो हमारे लिए नहीं चला है, और उसके लिए मैं बेहद शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ, उनकी बेहद शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ, हमारे तमाम स्पॉन्सर्स की. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि ये 9 साल का जो सफ़र है इसमें उतार चढ़ाव रहे हैं, इसमें कभी कभी ऐसा लगता था कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है, लेकिन मुझे अब्बा की ये बात हमेशा याद रहती है कि उन्होंने कहा कि जब आप तब्दीली के लिए काम करें तो इस उम्मीद में ये गुंजाइश भी छोड़ दें कि शायद तब्दीली आपके वक्त में ना आ सके, आपकी ज़िंदगी में ना आ सके, लेकिन ये यकीन रखना चाहिए कि अगर आप अपना काम मुसलसल करते रहे और पैशनेटली करते रहे और सिंसेरिटी से करते रहेंगे तो तब्दीली आएगी और ज़रूर आएगी. और आज आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि ये तब्दीली आ चुकी है. वेल, Ranbir Kapoor is the goodwill ambassador of Mijma Welfare Society. He's been with us for very many years, and he is my darling boy. I keep telling Neetu Singh that he is my jigar ka tukra. उसको कुछ बोलो वो फौरन हाजिर हो जाता है. दीपिका के साथ we have had a long-standing promise, and we have never managed to do it. This year we managed to get her, and I am extremely thankful. I am very, very happy that Deepika has come on board with us. This is the first time that I'm even hearing about it, and I think this is not the occasion or the place to talk about it. We will talk about it on a platform which is different. Thank you.
Hello, how are you? Yes, very. I'm actually very excited because I'm accompanied by my really lovely friend Moni.
Best friend.
Yeah, we haven't met each other since a couple of hours actually.
Yeah. We're together all the time. Also, this is for a very noble cause, so we're here to show our support. And yeah, Manish is a beautiful designer. We all know that. You feel lucky to be wearing. I'm wearing one of his sarees tonight, and so yeah, we're looking forward to see the
show. I'm actually looking forward to see Ranveer and Deepika together.
We
on
were
that.
just talking
Yes.
about it in
Yes.
the car that anyway we both of us love Deepika, and both of them I think together make
like
a really,
Ranveer also.
really on screen couple. So
You will be seeing my friend on big screen very, very soon. Yes.
I'm nervous. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Let's see. I don't like to talk about it too much and jinx it. So
No, she's going to be very good
Messi.
in the film. I know that.
Mani, have you already shot portions with Ranveer for Brahmastra?
yes, we have. Very, very good. Both Ranveer and Alia are such giving, understanding actors. It's an honor to share screen with them. And in fact, it was a very difficult role and a very difficult shoot. It was minus 18 or 17 degrees most of the time. So yeah, it was very, very nice
Did you see
shooting.
anything catching in the film because there were certain reports?
Little bit. देखिए बात ये होती है ना कि पहले हम ईवल को रावण के साथ कंपेयर करते थे दैट यू नो वी बर्न रावण ड्यूरिंग दशहरा बट द पॉइंट ऑफ द मैटर इज that I don't think even Ravan crossed that line of Maryada with Sita. He wanted to whatever. So let me not go into a religious space. The whole thing is that whatever is happening in our country, whether it's with the 3-day-old child in UP or with Asifa, it's just so shocking. And so I don't think there can be any justice. Both of us, I remember, we were very, very disturbed for days. But we need to, I don't know how you can educate the men in your own homes, or how can you teach humanity to human beings, because they clearly not.
और ये ना ये तो अस्तीफा का भी जो चैप्टर हुआ है, लेकिन ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो गया है. हमें कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, कंट्री को कुछ करने की ज़रूरत है, हमें कुछ करना चाहिए इसके बारे में.
Even that Pakistani girl, the last year that event that happened, this year whatever happened, it's just all too shocking. I think the end is very close. Yeah,
it's scary. Thank you. Yeah.
No, I want good. I'm here today. I'm not a part. Thank you. If I wasn't an actress, maybe an IS officer, because that's what my father wanted me to be. I was studying, I don't know if I was studying for it. I'd done my English honours from Miranda House and I did my main mass comm from Jamia. I wrote my dissertation. So मैं academics में ही थी, तो उसी line में कुछ करती शायद. Thank you.
I think I would have been sticking to my glamour industry, and I would have been a choreographer.
You'd be a beautiful choreographer. Have you seen how graceful she is?
Because I love dancing, so I would have been a good choreographer.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, I am very happy that I am attending Manish's show for Mijwan, of course. And secondly, Shabana ma'am has this a great cause what she's doing, and obviously Mijwan is her native, and she's doing really good things for her own native, which is a good thing. And a lot of people should come up with such things with their own natives also. So I think it's a great thing what Shabana ma'am is doing, and people like us should also think something for our own villages. शूटिंग अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, थोड़े दिन की शूट बाकी है, बट वी आर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन सेट, टोटल मस्ती, एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर यू गाइस टू सी इट एक्चुअली. जी बहुत है इसके अंदर. मैंने और जैकी ने दोनों ने मिलके जमकर एक्शन किया है, और वो करने में बहुत ही मज़ा आया था. उन्होंने 2 गाने लिखे हैं और शायद उन्होंने एक गाना गाया है, मतलब मुझे उसके बारे में टोटल नॉलेज नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स अ रीसेंट अपडेट। और हमारी शूटिंग में अभी वो सलमान सर अभी कुछ शूट जो चल रही थी उसके अंदर वो नहीं थे, तो अपडेट क्या है मुझे नहीं पता। We were very happy when Salman sir came out, and obviously we had to get back to our shooting because that's a project we need to finish because the release is like 2 months, so we had to. So no, we were just happy. We were very happy. Thank you.
Yes, every year this festivity is there, and I think most of the years I have been part of it, and today somehow my company also involved in this. I'm very, very happy that Mijwa is taking, growing day by day, years by years to great heights, and the kind of work they are doing. Shabana Azmi ji, Namrata Goyal, Manish Malhotra, they are really giving something to Mijwa which nobody can give. So I congratulate everyone, and I really wish all the success from my side, from Kuber side, from Vikas Malu side, and whole Malu Palivar, who have really done wonderful thing by actually doing this show, presenting this show, Kuber Group, and congratulations to everyone and best of luck. Thank you. मैंने भैया कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने अपने 25 साल पहले फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट किया है, और आई थिंक फेलियर को एक्सेप्ट करना सबसे बड़ी सक्सेस होती है, और बड़े हैप्पीली किया है, और हाई मतलब अपने सम्मान के साथ किया है। एक जो ज़बरदस्त पिक्चर बनाई थी हमने सोचा, और उसको ट्विटर पे, सोशल मीडिया पे लोगों ने 25 साल बाद हिट कर दिया, ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। प्रेरणा नहीं मिली, इट इज़ अ फैक्ट। आपको किसी ने मुझे ट्वीट किया, एक को पिक्चर निकल गया, सर इट वॉज नॉट ए गुड फिल्म, तो मैंने उसको जवाब दिया, आफ्टर 25 years इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट गुड और बैड, इट इज़ अबाउट ओनिंग योर फेलियर्स। You must be a successful person, but if you accept your failures, and you talk about your failures, you will be more successful person. And that is what actually I felt, and what Roop Ki Rani Choron Ka Raja has given me as a person, as a I have become much more stronger. Today I am still working after 25-30 years. That shows that though my picture didn't work, but I worked in people's mind and my audience's mind. पता नहीं यार, मैं तो इसी चीज़ के लिए पागल था असल में, राइट फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड, यू कैन से आफ्टर स्कूल, फ्रॉम कॉलेज ऑनवर्ड्स, आई थॉट ऑफ वन प्रोफेशन इन माई लाइफ, that I wanted to be a performer since my Crodimal College Delhi University days, and I am there. I am very thankful to God. But हाँ, अगर मैं शायद नहीं कुछ होता और कोई दूसरी जगह जाता तो डेफिनेटली मैं फार्मर बनता शायद।
How's everyone?
थैंक यू, गुड इवनिंग टू यू टू। जी, मैं आपको सच बोलूँ तो हम लोग किसी भी तरह का हर इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं, उसके पीछे जो भी रीज़न होता है, चाहे वो एक बंदे को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 100 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे या 1000 लोगों को इन्फ्लुएंस करे, उस पर हमारा कोई क्या बोल सकते, उस पर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, लेकिन हम अपनी तरफ से जो कर सकते हैं हम वो करते हैं। सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर टुडे एज एन इंडस्ट्री, एज एवरीवन। फैशन इंडस्ट्री ले लो, चाहे आप बॉलीवुड ले लो, चाहे आप मीडिया को ले लो, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं टू सपोर्ट अ कॉज एंड टू मेक श्योर दैट वी मेक अ डिफरेंस। सो आई थिंक हमारा जो मकसद है वो हम पूरा कर रहे हैं। हम होपिंग कि अब आगे ये बातें पहुँचे। राइट, सी अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या है, हमारे सोचने से, आपके कहने से या मेरे कहने से अगर फ़र्क पड़ता तो बात ही क्या थी। बहुत चीज़ें आगे बढ़ जाती, बहुत सी चीज़ें हो जाती। गुस्सा आता है, खून खौलता है, लेकिन हम उसका कुछ कर नहीं पाते। आई थिंक 1 for 1 होना चाहिए। एज विमेन और एज मैन वी नीड टू रियलाइज वी कांट बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन अदर पीपल। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन टुडेज डे एंड एज आप चाहकर भी किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं रह सकते। तो चाहे वो सेल्फ डिफेंस सीखना हो, और इट मीन्स टू कैरी अ पेपर स्प्रे, और इट मीन्स कि आप शायद जो आपके घर पे जो दीदी आती है काम करने के लिए, उनके बच्चे हैं, आप उन तक पहुंचो, आप उनको कुछ सलाह दो, आप उनको कोई सीख दो, शायद उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़े। बट दैट्स द मैक्सिमम दैट वी कैन डू एज सिटीजन्स। आगे देखते हैं अब क्या होता है। यस, there you go Justin, yes I'm very geared up for Yamla Pagla 3. Thank you. Oh, you have no idea how nervous I am. 2nd of May will be my last day of shoot, and on the 3rd I start dubbing. So it's all real suddenly. It's happening. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be out very soon. Was it intimidating? It was exciting. It was so fun. Imagine. I mean, I felt like a star. I'm working with stars. I'm a normal girl from Bangalore. The feeling is something else to be able to work with people I've grown up watching. Yeah. I'll get into trouble. All 3 of them are very funny. Yeah, they won. Anyway, thank you so much. Huh? Yes. I think they look fabulous together on screen. They're both fantastic actors and they complement each other really well. I think the world knows that I'm a Deepika Padukone fan, so I'm very excited to see her tonight. I think I would have been a motivational speaker. Yeah, I would have done that. I like helping people. That's been my, that's something that I've always done. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अभी भी वही करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं लोगों की ज़िंदगी में फ़र्क लाऊं, तो आगे भी होपफुली यही करूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। यहाँ पर thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I have to go, yeah.
Well, I think Mejwan is a cause they have been working consistently, and I think whenever some serious, good-hearted people make an effort, like Shabana ji, like Namrata Goyal, and the whole team, I think they make a lot of difference. They change the lives of people, and I think this is a fabulous effort. That's why we are here to support them. So good luck, Shabana, Mejwan, Namrata, all of you. Thank you. I don't know. Is it a new look? I have no idea. I think every day a woman should reinvent herself, otherwise थोड़ा boring हो जाता है. And no, it's my same old look. Just dressing is different. Thank you. आई थिंक ये बहुत ही सैड दुखदाई घटना हो रही हैं हमारे देश में, एक नहीं कई हो रही हैं। एंड आई एम शॉक्ड कि आज के ज़माने में व्हेन पीपल आर मोर एजुकेटेड, सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्टिव है, आप सब मीडिया वाले इतने एक्टिव है, लोगों की इतनी हिम्मत होती है, इतनी घिनौनी हरकतें कैसे करते हैं वो लोग। एंड आई थिंक दे रियली नीड टू बी पनिश्ड so severely that nobody else should ever dare to do that. I know I'm saying something which lot of people are saying, but कुछ फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए। सबसे ज़्यादा आप सबसे के माध्यम के थ्रू I'll appeal to the young people of this country, the men especially, respect your ladies, respect the women. और आसपास कोई गलत काम कर रहा हो, be a man enough to get up and save the child or the woman or anybody who needs it. So I think that's what we need to do. आजकल हमें और vigilant होना चाहिए और sensitive होना चाहिए. Thank you.
I'm very excited. Yeah, this is first time I'm actually getting this opportunity to be a part of this wonderful welfare association, and I'm very excited about it. And I'm really happy the kind of work that Mizwan keeps doing. I'm very happy to support it in any capacity. Magic. What else? We all are looking forward to that. Yeah. I don't know what you guys are doing here. We should go inside. I think so. तुम लोग नहीं देखोगे क्या? रणबीर दीपिका नहीं दिखते साथ में बार बार? No, they wanted something which talks about friendship and which talks about friendship in which वो बोलते हैं ना हर दोस्त कमीना होता है, तो उनको वैसा कुछ थॉट चाहिए था. And I think who better than all the fukras to fit in that? So that's I think was the thought behind it. Yeah, I don't know. We have spoken a lot about it, and it's time that everybody takes action about it. And it's nice to see people coming down on the roads. But I think it's high time. Yeah, this recent incident, and this is not the only one. But it's really shameful. Yeah, it's really shameful. It's disgusting. So I think we should just pull up our socks and just fuck these assholes. Yeah, they are assholes. I'm sorry, I'm saying this on TV, but they are. Thank you.
Good evening, bhai. Good evening. नहीं यार, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच दिस शो. मनीष मल्होत्रा हर साल ये मिज़वान के लिए शो करते हैं. शबाना जी का इनिशिएटिव है. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव ऑफ गिविंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ टू women and empowering the women. And I think it's a great initiative, and I'm happy that I'm here. So looking forward, and Ranbir and Deepika always look lovely together, and they'll be walking together. So it'll be a good thing. यार मैं क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता था लाइफ में, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा स्टेट लेवल क्रिकेट भी खेला है ज़िंदगी में. अगर एक्टर नहीं बनता तो शायद उस तरफ जाने की कोशिश करता. जी बिल्कुल जी. No, it is highly disturbing. The incidents that we are reading, whether it was the Surat case or whether it was Asifa's case, I think जो ये लोग हैं जिनकी ये मेंटालिटी है, उनका हमारी सोसाइटी में रहने का कोई हक नहीं है यार. If you can think of such thoughts and do something with a child, that's highly disgusting. Jitesh sir, where are you going, sir? Where are you going? I'm good. Oh, you're running. I'm looking lovely. Manish Malhotra, you looking? Thank you. Sorry. So I think it is highly disgusting, and all these people who have done this should be. And I believe in the justice system of my country. So I'm hoping उनको सज़ा मिलेगी, and जो हार्ड से हार्ड सज़ा हो सकती है वो मिलनी चाहिए. There should be no रियायत. जी. किसकी? हाँ, अब ईद आ रही है तो आएंगे यार, ईद पे ईदी लेने तो आएंगे, बट आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड यार। अब भी थोड़ा सा काम पिक्चर का बाकी है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लेह लद्दाख, श्रीनगर जा रहे हैं हम, वहाँ पर कुछ गाने शूट करने। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यार कि बस आ गई पिक्चर 1.5 महीने बाद, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट लाइफ में पहली बार मेरी भी पिक्चर एक ईद पे रिलीज हो रही है। थैंक यू। मैम फर्स्ट, मैम फर्स्ट। मैम, आई वुड नो द राइट पर्सन टू टेल यू दिस वुड बी रमेश तोरानी। हमें तो बताया जाता है कि यहाँ स्केड्यूल है और हम वहाँ चले जाते हैं, वी एक्टर्स। सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ कॉल द प्रोड्यूसर विल हैव टू टेक एंड विल हैव टू टेल यू। यू से मतलब आई डोंट, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम अनअवेयर ऑफ दिस। आई हैव ओनली रेड इट इन द प्रेस। सो अगर आप लोग बोल रहे हैं लिखा होगा भाई ने, यार भाई ने गाया होगा, बट आई नॉट दैट आई नो ऑफ। थैंक यू guys, thank you.
Hello. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Shabana ma'am. I think it's extremely inspiring to see her do this every year because the cause is so special, it's so real, and it's the need of the hour, women empowerment, and what better way to celebrate it with supporting girl-child education. And look at the way the society, the Mijwan society has progressed. So we're all here to support this organization, and I think it's amazing. It always feels nice to be back here every year, and of course very excited to be wearing Manish Malhotra and and for the show, of course, to watch Ranbir and Deepika. Thank you. Combi? I think everybody loves them, and as I said, that the cause has made it even more special and even more relevant because it's really special. I think the cause, we're all together and they're working, I think has made it even more. I think that's the hero of the show today, and I'm really excited to watch the show. Because it's always very grand, it's always very, it's what should I say? I think it's very grand. I think that's and there are a lot of specials I think attached to it. So really looking forward to it. I think I just said exactly the same thing, that why it's so special, because it's the need of the hour, women empowerment and gender empowerment, and what better way to make girls and women aware, making them aware about themselves, about their rights, about education. That is the first and primary step, and I think Mijwan, that's where that's the reason why it's really special and it's really important for us. And I think hats off to Shabana ma'am for inspiring us with her such a strong initiative, and I hope that more of us, we can contribute more in whatever possible way to consolidate such events. Thank you. I think being an actress chose me, so I'm not thinking anything. My sister's not here. I'll tell her that you missed her. How sweet. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm definitely excited to see them on the ramp. I think बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनको रैम्प पे देखने के लिए, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि ये जो मिजवान का हम फैशन शो करते हैं हर साल, it's about empowering women and it's about creating skill in India and giving them a livelihood, and I think that's why we all come and we always support. I think what Manish and Shabana ji and Namrata are doing is an amazing endeavor. I love social networking.
आई थिंक हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में एक टाइम आता है जब भी वो इट्स लाइक एन अवेकनिंग. यू कम टू अ स्टेज इन योर लाइफ वेयर इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ ओवरऑल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. You have to transform your mind, your body and your soul to achieve something like this. अभी सबसे अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट आई थिंक मैं वेट कर रही हूँ. बहुत लोग अभी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे रहे हैं. सो आई लाइक टू वेट फॉर सम मोर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. फैमिली तो अपने को दे टेक अस फॉर ग्रांटेड. फैमिली टेक्स यू फॉर ग्रांटेड फर्स्ट. दे फील लाइक लेकिन हमें पता था कि तुम ये कर सकती थी. If I wasn't an actress, I think I would do something with animals. I love animals. Maybe I would have opened my own, like wildlife sanctuary or something like that. Thank you.
Well, I'm very excited for Manish actually. When you say Manish Malhotra, it resonates with elegance, class. And I'm very excited to see what he's going to do with the Mijwan Welfare Society. I think Shabana ji and Manish put together are doing a very, very good job with this every year. And definitely Ranbir and Deepika are like royalty in themselves. So looking forward to them as well. Thank you.
I have always supported this wonderful initiative, Mijwan. Shabana ji and Namrata have been doing this for a long time. I think women in their own places, where there is this beautiful craft, if that can be brought to cities, to people at large, I think we will also learn to appreciate true craftsmanship. So I'm looking forward to the show. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, so it's we are all very excited in the cast and crew of Manto that it's been selected in the official section called On Certain Regard. It's a big honor and a big responsibility. It's the only film in the 2 official sections from India, and it's a labor of love. I've spent 7 years from the time I started thinking about this project. So let's hope that the audience is there, love it, and final test will be of course in India, and when we bring the film and we release the film. Thank you. The film is almost ready. I've been working, in fact, 14 hours, if you can see it from my eyes. I'm really exhausted, but it will be ready by the end of this month. नवाज़ ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. वो वैसे भी बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, पर मंटो में काफ़ी ढल गए थे. उनकी जो सोच है वो भी मंटो से काफ़ी मिलती जुलती है, और खैर मेरी भी है. हम सब में मंटोइयत है, तो उसी को निकालने के लिए ये फिल्म बनाई जा रही है. रिलीज़ डेट अभी फाइनल नहीं हुई है, लेकिन इसी साल आप देखेंगे और आप तक ये ज़रूर पहुंचेगी. सॉरी, आप जिस तरह से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि इन रेप केसेस के बारे में क्या ख्याल है, ये सवाल अपने आप में, सॉरी टू से, कि सही सवाल नहीं है. आई थिंक जो हमारे देश में हो रहा है एंड पूरी दुनिया में हो रहा है औरतों के साथ, बच्चियों के साथ, ये तो बच्ची है, उसको लड़की भी नहीं कहा जा सकता. इसे हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना पड़ेगा जब तक कन्विक्शन ना हो.
Style. Well, we also had designers doing our dresses, so it's not anything new happening. Bilkul na? Yeah. I wish Shabana the best for Mijwan, and she's doing a great job, and I wish her great success, and she carries on the show all the time. Thank you.
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, क्योंकि पहली बार है, तो मैं और अंदर जाके मुझे और जानने को मिलेगा. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर इट. फर्स्ट टाइम. सो या सॉरी, हाउ actually it's going to be amazing. So this is the first time I'm going to see them on walking the ramp. So I'm very excited for that. I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you.
Hello. Namaste. I'm very excited because I love Manish Malhotra. I love him as a designer and I love him as a human being. He's wonderful, and I'm very grateful every time when I have the chance to wear his outfits. They're beautiful, and I'm sure the show will be outstanding. So best of luck for Manish. Sorry? Beautiful, no? I'm sure they will look great. Manish will take care of this for sure. So it will be wonderful to see them walking.
You're also singing a song in Race 3, and you've sung a song, if I'm not mistaken. Tell us more about it. And
I will tell you more about it when it will be delivered.
I'm going to do this.
Hello, hi. Hi. Yeah, so. Okay. So, yes, I'm going to tell you more about the song when the time is right. But it's a beautiful song.
But who motivated you to get a part of it? Did Salman probably say that you have to sing a special number?
I think life and God has motivated us to do everything what we do. So, yeah. Thank you.
You're making up for him very quickly. Thank you. Now you have to say a lot of things to make up for that. Oh my God. Thank you. Well, thank you so much. It's fine. Thank you. What do you have done? Yeah. I think it's a great combination because first of all it's a superb cause. बहुत अच्छा cause है और मैं हमेशा शबाना जी से और मनीष से कहती हूँ कि ये जो काम कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा काम है. तो हर साल हम लोग आते हैं, बड़े खूबसूरत कपड़े देखते हैं और मज़ा आता है और इनके कॉज को जिस तरह से भी सपोर्ट कर सकें सपोर्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड डीड एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओ यस, या वेल इंडियाज़ बेस्ट ड्रामेबाज ही है जो करती आ रही हूँ. आई लव द शो. आई लव, यू नो, आई हैव ऑलवेज एंजॉयड वर्किंग विद किड्स. सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द शो.
In the meantime, Bollywood awaits your return back. So when can we expect that to come back?
No, I think where have I gone? I have been in public eye constantly, always. So I'm around. I haven't thought of it, but let's see now. Let's start with the TV and see how it goes. Thank you. Maybe a lawyer or something. Thank you.
एक खूबसूरत शाम है. मिजवा वाले बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. एक यूनिक बात है कि एक विलेज को लेकर पूरा इतना सारा डेवलपमेंट भी हो गया है और उसके लोग सब काम कर रहे हैं और बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. तो मेरी तरफ से तो बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ हैं और दिल से चाहता हूँ कि और अच्छा होता रहे मिजवा में, और बढ़िया होता रहे और हम सब हर साल इसी तरह मनाते हैं. सॉरी.
चलिए
Manish!
Sorry. Pictures. You go next
सबका साथ में नहीं हुआ है पूरा इंटरव्यू। किनका? हमारे कैमरे के लिए सबके लिए नहीं हुआ है। अरे मगर पहले तो यहाँ बात करेंगे ना। चलो आ जाओ ना। चलो आप चलो। क्या चाहिए? हाँ अंदर Gorgeosity, you can't run away. ये इतनी लंबी है कि ठीक है।
Manish, come.
I don't want to stand on your thing. Please. देखिए ये बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र रहा है, लेकिन इस सफ़र में हमको बहुत खुशी मिली है, सशक्तिकरण मिला है लड़कियों को, बहुत खुशी की बात है। ऐसा लगता है बस कल ही हमने हाथ जोड़ा था मनीष मल्होत्रा के साथ और चुटकी में 9 साल निकल गए।
क्या आपने बोला मैंने सुनाई नहीं दिया। हाँ वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सुनाई दिया, क्वेश्चन सुनाई नहीं दिया। I think सबसे बड़ी बात है कि we've come together to work for Mijwa Welfare Society, and I think that's the bigger picture here. So it's always wonderful, to work for Manish, to work with Deepika, for Shabana Aunty and Amrita and everybody concerned with the Mijwa Welfare Society.
I think very, very exciting, to be honest. I think like he said, this is my first time. I know he's done it before, but this is my first time, and I started my career off as a model. I've walked the ramp many, many times, but this was special. It felt genuine, it felt real, and it felt connected. I felt like everyone behind the scenes has worked really, really hard in doing what they do, not just in putting the show together, but in the fact that you can see the work, the effort, the craftsmanship, and I think most importantly the fact that they've empowered so many women and children. It gives me so much joy, and it's so inspiring to see the work they do. Like I said, I think the fact that we've empowered women is one thing, but to see the quality of work that's coming out of Mijwa year on year, and to see that today they can compete or provide for top designers, not of the country but of the world. I think it really says a lot about the talent that we have in the country, and the fact that if we empower them, if we enable them,
there's so much that we can do. I think we'd be so much, I think, richer as a nation. And this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go.
What is your idea of empowering women and how
Masculinity के बारे में
Well, I think firstly we have to change the notion of masculinity. I think masculinity का जो एक idea है हमारे दिमाग में, I think we change the feelings of entitlement. I think that's a beginning. Once we do that, and the kind of platform that we can provide to, and especially us who are entitled, that we can provide to the people of our country, especially to the girls, to the women. I think that's a great start, and I think Mijwan Welfare Society is about that. Coming together to do just that.
By being here, he's doing that.
I have